Click power, no response. Take out the blue screwdriver. Remove the screws from the rear cover of the computer. Take out the crowbar plate and sucker. Use the sucker to lift the cover, and insert the plastic card into the gap to lift up the locks on both sides of the cover. Repeat the previous action on the other side. Push down to remove the back cover. Lift up the buckle of battery cable. Pull the battery flexible cable. Remove the touch cable screws and gaskets. Lift up the touch cable. Lift the trackpad cable over to the other end. Remove the screw of power connector. Bend the battery power connector to around 90 degrees slightly. Remove the screw of battery connector. Find the black piece of removable tape on the side of the cell. Remove the adhesive strips on both sides of the battery. It is difficult to use the prying up these two cells, so please be more patient. Remove the battery slowly. Take out the new adhesive tapes and stick it to the back of the new battery, one cell with 2 PCS tape. Install the new battery. Before flattening the battery, you need to align the battery connector and the place of battery. Tighten the screw of the battery connector. Remove the protective layer of tape from the cell. Restore the power connector location. Tighten the screw of the battery power connector. Buckle the touchpad cable well. Install the gasket and tighten the screws. Insert the battery flexible cable into the computer port. Prepare to buckle the battery's flexible cable. Align the back cover with the computer and push it in from both sides, then install the back cover. Tighten the screws on the back cover. Power on successfully. Replacement completed.